I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Hyperaudio WordPress plugin to create an interactive transcript. What you will need is a time transcript or some data that you can convert into a time transcript. It's best if we have word level timing. So to do this, I've created a little tool that comes as part of the plugin. If you go to the admin, and that allows you to convert from various formats. Now, the formats you can choose from are things like subtitle format, SRT format, and various providers. I'm going to use Gentle because I've got this running. If you want to use Gentle, Gentle's an aligner. It's a free piece of software. It aligns a transcript to audio. It will also try and transcribe if you don't have any text, so you can use it as a kind of free transcription service. So I've already got the transcript, and I'm just going to grab the JSON and put it in here. Now there's a few options. I don't need to take word length into account because we're not converting from SRT. I can split paragraphs on text finishing with punctuation. It seems like a good idea, and I can split on a delay, so let's just do it. Here we have the markup, and here we have the rendered view. You can change stuff here if you wanted, correct or add paragraphs as you wish. But we're really after this markup, so I'm going to grab that and then go back to where I was using the shortcode. Now this is the Hyperaudio shortcode with a spelling mistake there, where I've linked directly to the file, and in between we want to put the markup. Okay, let's preview that. So you see we have the video here.
What does it mean to be human if we don't have a shared culture? And what does a shared culture mean if you can't share it?
So it's only in the last 100 or 150 years or so that we've started type without asking permission.
We have all these new technologies, the blues, and get the law out of the way.
The work of Creative Commons is...
And you have the usual sharing capability, which will share that exact part and link back directly to that part. So that's really it. That's how quick it is. In the next video, you might have noticed that we have subtitles here or captions. I'll show you how that bit works.